Hello, today I will show you how to open the device and what are the options for upgrading the device. First, it is necessary to unscrew 9 screws. Carefully remove the bottom cover of the device, under which is motherboard. DDR5 memory. Additional SSD slot, so you can install 2 SSD drives. You can find additional details of the device in the video description. The original SSD, which we won't remove because it's holding on to the thermal pads. Be careful when you remove the screws from SSD drive, they can fall on the motherboard which is connected to the battery and the motherboard can be destroyed. The device can be upgraded with 2 M.2 SSD drive and 2 DDR5 memory. Charger. Battery. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.